According to Warren Buffett, the hallmark of great businesses lies in their high gross margins. But what exactly does gross margin mean? In simple definition, it is the difference between the selling price of a product and the cost of the production. For instance, if a product sells for $5 but the cost was $1 to make, the gross margin will be $4 or 80%. Thus, the most favorable businesses are those boasting the highest margins while also commanding higher price points. Ideally, aiming for margins of 70%, 80% or even 90% ensures greater profitability. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top businesses that you should start in 2024 and the key strategies that you need to apply. Business number 1, product-based enterprises. Typically, they yield gross margins of 50% to 60%. However, the journey to success in this business venture requires more than just creating a product. It demands a comprehensive approach that ensures visibility and sustainability. You need to create tangible solutions to meet market needs. The products that you will create need to offer real-world benefits to consumers while aligning with sustainable and environmental conscious trends. There are 3 key strategies to succeed in this business. Number 1 is pre-selling. Before you invest a lot of money into production, pre-selling allows entrepreneurs to validate market demand. Platforms like Kickstarter, GoFundMe, or Indiegogo serve as invaluable tools to make interest for your product and secure funds without risking financial loss. The second strategy is direct-to-consumer sales. You should visit retail channels and sell directly to consumers' businesses so that you can maintain control over pricing, branding, and customer relationships. Platforms like Amazon offers accessible avenues for reaching a wide audience while maximizing profit margins. The last strategy is brand investment. You need to build a strong brand identity for differentiation and long-term success. Emphasize on premium quality and customer experience so that you can foster trust and loyalty among your consumers. The second business that I will advise you to start in 2024 is online training businesses. When you open a coaching or online training businesses, you empower individuals and organizations to unlock their full potential and achieve their personal or professional growth. This business venture has the gross margins typically from 70% to 80%. You're going to help your clients navigate challenges or capitalize on opportunities, whether it is leadership development, business strategies, or personal wellness. These services deliver transformative results and empower your clients. They are very high in demand, especially in 2024, and these are the key strategies to succeed in this business venture. Number 1 strategy is selling expertise. Position yourself as an authority in a specific niche or domain so that you can command premium rates and attract high-value clients. You need to showcase your expertise through content, speaking engagements, and thought leadership. Strategy number 2 is strategy development. When you are online training or online coaching, you are going to address specific client needs and objectives. Do a lot of research on what type of services or online training that you're going to offer and develop customized strategies and action plans that can deliver tailored solutions and drive measurable results and lasting impact. Strategy number 3 to succeed in this business venture is community building. Create a supportive community of like-minded individuals so that you can collaborate, learn, and grow. By facilitating network events or mastermind groups or online forums, you'll be able to connect and share insights with others that are on the same journey as you. And the third business that I would recommend you to start in 2024 is software enterprises. This is the most lucrative business in 2024. The margins are typically from 80% to even 90%. In this business venture, you're going to innovate solutions to address complex problems. Software solutions offer unparalleled efficiency, automation, and scalability. You're going to help organizations to operate and compete in the digital age. So I have key strategies to succeed in this business venture. And strategy number 1 is building a sticky product. You need to create a software that becomes indispensable to users and ensures long-term retention and loyalty. Strategy number 2 is very, very important. You need to target boring industries. Focus on industries with entrenched inefficiency and outdated systems. By tackling mundane tasks and simplifying complex processes, your product will become indispensable partners for businesses seeking competitive advantage. And the third strategy is first-time user experience. Your product needs to have a user-friendly experience. It is essential for driving thriving engagement. By guiding users through the initial setup process, your software product needs to ensure seamless integration and maximize customer satisfaction. And those are the top 3 businesses of 2024. Each of these business models offer unique opportunities for entrepreneurs to create value, drive impact, and achieve financial success. By understanding the nuances of each model and implementing proven strategies that I just gave you, aspiring business owners can embark on a transformative journey towards building thriving enterprises in 2024. If you found any value or insights in this video, please do subscribe and like this video.